Let's get started. First, ensure your computer meets the system requirements for the Antigravity Vibe coding tool. Next, download the installation file from the official Google website. Keep it safe and easy to find. Once downloaded, locate the file in your Downloads folder. Ready? Let's begin the installation. Double-click the installation file to start the setup process. A welcome screen will greet you. Follow the prompts, accepting the terms and conditions as you go. Your compatibility is key here. Finally, click Install to complete the process. It's that easy. Once installed, launch the Antigravity tool. You're now ready to unlock its unique features. Explore the interface. Familiarize yourself with the menus and options available. Don't forget to check out tutorial resources to maximize your use of the tool. Start creating. Your imagination is the only limit with the Google Antigravity Vibe coding tool. Stay updated. Bookmark the site for future updates and features. And there you have it. Enjoy using the Google Antigravity Vibe coding tool.